Well, Hurricane Sandy is bearing down on the East Coast today, forcing hundreds of thousands to seek higher ground, halting public transport and closing schools, businesses, and government departments. All U.S. stock markets will be closed today and possibly tomorrow, Tuesday, according to the operator of the New York Stock Exchange. Of course, our thoughts and prayers are with all those who are and may be affected.
The Commerce Department's initial third quarter estimate of annualized growth, 2%, was better than expected. However, it fell short of the 2.5% pace analysts feel is needed to reduce the unemployment rate. Consumer spending, defense spending, and residential real estate's investment were the key factors behind the third quarter improvement. In fact, spending on home building and home improvement rose more than 14% in the quarter.
September saw a 5.7% rise in new home buying, according to the Census Bureau. The annual projection of new home sales, which was 389,000, paled in comparison to the 800,000 plus pace of early 2007. But sales were still up over 27% year over year to the highest level since April of 2010. Elsewhere in the housing market, the National Association of Realtors reported a 0.3% gain in pending home sales last month.
October's final Reuters University of Michigan's Consumer Index came in at 82.6, the best monthly reading since September of 2007. Across 2003 through 2007, the index averaged about 89. During the last recession, just a little over 64.
October may go in the books as the poorest month for stocks in some time. As of Friday's close, the S&P 500 was down almost 2% for the month. Major indices turned south last week. The S&P 500 was down about 1.5% to 1411. The Nasdaq down just over 0.5% to 2987, and the Dow was down almost just over 1.75% to 13107. Gas prices also dropped, however. AAA had the national average price per gallon at $3.58 Friday. For those of us here in Minnesota, we've seen a lot of those prices in the mid-320s. And gas nationally was down 3.8% for the week and 5.6% just this month alone.
We're going to see a very busy week this week regarding earnings reports. Starting today, we've got the September Consumer Spending Report will arrive.
And then tomorrow, Tuesday, we see the release of the new Case-Shiller Home Price Index and the Conference Board's October Consumer Confidence Survey.
Wednesday, the biggest day of the week with earnings reports.
And then the Institute for Supply Management's October Manufacturing Index comes out on Thursday, in addition to new initial jobless claims figures.
Friday sees the release of the October jobs reports and the number on September's factory orders.
That's what we're looking at this week. My name is Eric Hagen.
I'm Greg Petrie.
We'll keep our finger on the pulse of the economy and report back to you next Monday.
So please subscribe, and we'll talk with you then.